300 watt power. This PA amplifier speaker system and mic set by Pyle is equipped with 300 watt 10 subwoofer for full range surround stereo sound reproduction and impressive bass response. It also has rolling wheels and handles for portability. Compatible with Bluetooth. This box-type PA loudspeaker is compatible with Bluetooth for wireless audio streaming and works with devices like iPhone, Android mobile phone, iPad, tablet, PC. Ideal for personal indoor home and outdoor use. 5 inputs. Equipped with a USB flash drive that doubles as a charge port and SD card reader so it can serve as an MP3 player, a 3.5mm aux input, and 2 1/4 microphone, guitar input for karaoke. It also has FM radio with digital LCD channel display. Flashing DJ lights. The product features multi-color flashing LED lights which is great for patio party or gatherings at night when a colorful presence is noticeable. Control the lights and sound with the Speaker Pro app. Rechargeable battery. This battery-powered heavy-duty wireless PA system has a built-in 7.4 volts lithium, 2000 mAh rechargeable battery which makes it convenient and portable. Package comes with a wired handheld mic and a power adapter. Top reviews from the United States. Got this speaker for my BF birthday. We have had no issues with it. Very light. Sounds loud and the bass, treble, and overall sound can all be adjusted. For the price I can't complain. I use this speaker for water aerobics classes which are 1 hour long, so maximum battery life does not matter much to me. The sound is louder than I need. Bluetooth, line-in and USB drive functions all work well. Purchased this as a birthday gift for the hubby for his man cave and he loves it. Great sound, comes with a mic and flashing lights. Overall great purchase.